This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Aretha Valentine. Welcome to the new and improved with fresh paint and new carpet installation. While the kids play outside in the new privacy fenced-in backyard, the adults can relax on the concrete patio that's under the shaded mature trees while roasting marshmallows on the outdoor fire pit. Indoors there are multiple rooms for gatherings. The extremely large family room is great for karaoke, band rehearsals, exercising, entertaining, etc. Entirely maintenance-free exterior with vinyl-wrapped large front porch, newer vinyl triple pane windows, extended driveway, newer HVAC, remodeled bathroom, crown molding throughout, chair rail in family room, and more. For more information, review the details below.